Where is my order? So how do I reset my password again? Can I get a refund? Your support team probably spends most of their time answering this. You're here to learn how to fix this bottleneck, and FYI, Gartner predicts the AI will autonomously resolve up to 80% of these service issues. Today, we are showing you how to automate customer support with AI in 2026 the right way. What to automate first, what to leave well alone, and the tools that actually pull it off. So let's dive into it. Let me start with full honesty. Automating support isn't about replacing your people. It's about deleting the repetitive volume that's burying them so they can focus on the calls that actually need a human brain. And you don't go fully autonomous on day one. There's a process called crawl, walk, and run. We crawl first and automate the busy work behind the scenes. Then we walk by deflecting and routing live contacts. And lastly, we run, letting AI handle whole conversations on its own. So phase 1, start where there's zero risk to the customer. The admin work happening after the conversation. This is the easiest win in all of support automation, and almost nobody starts here. Think about what an agent does the second a call ends. Typing up notes, tagging the tickets, logging what happened. AI does all of that automatically, producing instant call summaries, full transcriptions, and auto-tagging, pushing it straight to your help desk or CRM. Your team stops doing data entry and gets minutes back on every single ticket. The other quiet superpower here is automated scoring, where the AI scores every conversation against your criteria, flagging coaching moments, compliance slips, and unhappy customers automatically. Remember, nothing customer facing has changed yet, so let's pick up the pace. Once the back office has less on their plate, you go customer facing, but carefully. Phase 2 is about getting every contact at the right place, fast, and quietly handling the repetitive stuff along the way. Start with smart routing. Instead of clumsy press 1 for sales maze, AI understands what the caller actually wants and sends them to the right team or the right answer on the first try. Pair that with after-hours coverage, and a customer who calls at 2 a.m. gets helped instead of hitting a voicemail wall. Then comes the big change, deflecting your highest volume, lowest complexity intents like order status, refund status, password resets, the calls where, let's be honest, your agent is just reading something that was already on your website. Hand those to an AI and they never hit the human queue at all. This is where wait times fall off a cliff and your team stops drowning. The golden rule for this phase is to automate the boring, never the tricky. And this is the perfect time to go into phase 3. Phase 3 is the one everybody pictures when they hear AI support. An autonomous voice agent that answers the phone, holds a real natural conversation, and resolves the whole thing end to end, no human in the loop. Done well, the AI becomes the front door to your support line. It handles the routine requests from start to finish, and the moment something needs a human, a judgment call, an edge case, or an upset customer, it escalates it instantly with a full summary attached so your agent skips the "so tell me everything from the beginning" ritual. Keep in mind though, you're not trying to make AI handle every call. You're making it handle every call it can, so your humans only ever touch the ones that genuinely need them. Because automating the wrong things will cost you customers faster than doing nothing. Leave humans in charge of anything emotionally charged, a furious customer, a billing dispute, a service that just failed at the worst possible moment. And whatever you do, don't let a robot handle retention and cancellations. That save the relationship conversation is exactly where a real person earns their salary. And the non-negotiable, always give people an obvious one-step path to a human. Nothing breaks trust faster than a robot cheerfully trapping someone in a loop while they're asking for an agent. So, which tools actually do this? It depends on the channel. For chat and email, the help desk players like Zendesk AI and Intercom's Fin are the usual suspects. For big enterprises chasing fully autonomous agents across every channel, there's Sierra and Digacon, powerful but priced and scoped for the Fortune 500. But support still lives and dies on the phone, and that's a very different problem because most of these tools bolt AI onto software that was never a phone system. And this is where CloudTalk fits, and why I keep coming back to it for this. Take Oxford Royal Academy, for example. They offer premium summer courses, pulling students from 176 countries, which means leads landing around the clock in every language and every time zone. Their old fix was brute force. This year, one CloudTalk AI voice agent does the whole job. It calls every lead within minutes, day or night, detects the language they answer in, either Spanish, French, English, and books them straight onto an advisor's calendar. So there's your 2026 automation roadmap. If this video gave you a clear and structured plan instead of just hype, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.